through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and be fine. But it's better for me right now to break it into these 4s so that I pull out 4 of my heddles, which are my little white guys here. Some looms, they're going to be metal, and I'm going to pull them through. So there went number 5, number 6, which I just split. So I've got to bring it through without causing problems.
And then another question from guest 987. Are you working from the back of the loom right now?
Yes. The threads are coming from the front to the back. Front of the loom, always where the beam is. But I can see the heddles better if I'm sitting in back. And so that's why I sit back here to thread through. Reaching over the beater would have been very uncomfortable. So even though I'm threading front to back, I'm going to sit at whichever part of the loom makes it easier to do what I'm doing. And so yes, I am in the back of the loom, and you can tell because the beater is away from me. Okay. Ooh, let's see if we can go straight through 8. Why not?